The history of this nation is a history of the fight to earn one's rights. Ladies and gentlemen, let's turn back the pages of history. 1952, February the 21st. In the sunny morning, streets and alleys were flashed with a wave of teeming millions. Banners were erected high, and slogans were spontaneous. Rallies protected the right of mother tongue in the face of bullets of the junta, which made the day historic as International Mother Language Day. In recognition to our fight for the mother tongue, UNESCO has declared 21st February to be the International Mother Language Day. 1971 follows the revolution, a year of great importance and reverence for us, the Bangladeshis. 7 March, racecourse, a field of historical importance. The father of the nation, Bangabandhu, boldly pronounced, the spirited speech of Bangabandhu shook the whole nation to be united and stand firm against the juntas. Recently, UNESCO recognized his speech as World Documentary Heritage. 1971 is the year of our liberation war.